First, connect the curtain track. Measure the length of the curtain track. Cut the length of the strap to twice the length of the curtain track plus 10 inches more. Run the belt through the track from one side. Attach the buckle and insert it into the track. Reverse to the other side. Use a tool to pull out the snap you just made. Put on the plastic fittings and send it back. Put on the buckle and the fittings and insert them into the track. Secure with screws. Put in the right number of clips. The iron bracket should be facing the direction of the clips. Attach the fixing iron pieces and fasten them to the ceiling with expansion screws. Keep sliding down the button until it rotates to the right position and fix the motor. Installation completed.